encourage my students to really work hard to actualizing their dream. So in the first lesson, I challenged my students to set up their dream. But I never expect when I challenge them, they challenge me back. Ida, what is your dream? And then I tell them, okay, let me think about it, and I will return you the next lesson. I don't know why. And then I want students to say, why don't you summit Everest? And then I'm a little bit shocked, and I said, okay. So how about I climb Everest in 5 years' time, and you guys do your dream? And then I just, in 1 minute, I worked hard for 7 years to keep this promise. And actually, sometimes I think to set up a dream, you have to be a little bit spontaneous. So if next time someone invites you to join a walk, don't think about it. If you think about it more than 1 hour, I don't think you will join it, because it's really hard. I don't have time to join it. You get injured, blah, 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 blah. But if you promise, and then for the rest, you try to think the solution, how to solve the problem. I just want to tell my students, whatever you want to do, consistency is very important. And it is my integrity to my students, because being a teacher is not just through saying, but you have to really show it, really do it. You may ask, then what is your challenge? I always tell my students, all the challenge is not the destination, it's just a process. We can have more than one dream, more than one challenge. And I just want to show my students, whenever you reach one stage, you can keep moving and keep going. I just want to say, my life, every time when I finish something, my life just keep giving me some challenge. Just like maybe this year you finished your film in 20 hours. I'm sure Deloitte will give you another challenge, 18 hours, 16 hours, and then keep challenging. And I think if you've got such ability, please answer to this challenge. Okay, this is my last slide. I really love this phrase. When you really want something, all the universe can start to help you to achieve it. It's not, I tell my students, it's not just think about it mentally, but you really do it wholeheartedly. You really do it by your action, not just say it. Don't worry about all the challenge, all the difficulties. I tell them in January, I tell them, I have no idea how to ask for the sponsorship. I have no idea how, because it's really a big amount for our team. I'm not sure whether we can really do it. So start from January up to now, I just try my best to do my work, to do all the training, to do all the preparation. So before this sharing, I spent the last 2-3 months in high altitude training. So I just want to, I always tell my students, just do it, just really focus on this. Don't ask about the money return or the success, just do what you can do right now. Yeah, so for my sharing, thank you.